It's not so well known that Dr. Martin Luther King and Mrs. King visited this city, Paris, France, where I am offering my birthday commemoration. Of course, with the Louvre behind me, the Eiffel Tower in front of me, and the Champs-Élysées to my right. In this city, this glamorous city,
Coretta Scott King writes, "We returned home by way of Paris, where we checked into a hotel for a few days' rest. The couple was returning from Oslo, Norway, and Dr. King's memorable statements about the economic hardship of his fellow citizens."
In his speech, he talks of 22 million Black Americans who were struggling against poverty. Dr. King's speech, as he received the Nobel Peace Prize, is well known. But in this birthday commemoration, I'm going to take you inside a place that might be unknown to many. I had the privilege of visiting Dr. King's private office inside Dexter Avenue Baptist Church in Montgomery, Alabama.
You might know that from Alabama and this church office, a large part of the organizing was done for the successful Montgomery bus boycott. These are images I recorded during a private tour, and I am happy to share Dr. King's workspace with you now, including showing Dr. King's robes and the pulpit. The Prince of Peace lives, the dream lives, and the march of this civil rights generation continues, because justice does not yet roll down like water and righteousness like a mighty stream.